friends, good evening. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So I am Manju here and I welcome you all my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am sharing with you all SQL Oracle theoretical questions and answers. Okay, so whatever you get the all SQL Oracle related questions and answers for interview perspective, I am making video based on that. Okay, so watch video completely. I definitely say that you will get all the knowledge whatever you require for the interview purpose. Only theoretical questions here in this video. Okay, so fine. Before starting the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to SQL Master YouTube channel to get more videos about SQL Oracle and ETL testing questions and answers and queries. Okay, so let us move to. So the first question is, what is data? So data is letters, characters, special symbols, or anything which gives a meaningful information. In earlier days, we used to store the data records in registers in school, and nowadays we use memory device like hard disk, database, and data warehouse. So this is a very important question. What is data? You must know this basic question and answer. Okay, so let us move to the next question. Then what is database? So we all know what is data. Then what is database? So databases often store information about people such as customers or users. For example, social media platforms use databases to store user information such as names, emails, addresses, user behaviors. So whatever the information which we use to store that hardware is known as database. For example, a computer hard disk, that is also called as database. Okay, database is normally from megabytes to gigabytes. So this is what the second question. So moving to next one, then what is data warehouse? So we already know what is database. Then we are coming to know data warehouse. Data warehousing integrates the data and information collected from various sources into one comprehensive database. For example, a data warehouse might combine customer information from organization's point of sale systems and its mailing lists, website, and comment cards. So this is what called as data warehouse. So it extracts the data from various sources. Okay, data may be of different types of sources: XML files, CSV files, PDF, Word, text. Okay, so all the data which are integrates and collected in some repository, or you can say place where we can store the historical data for analysis purpose. Okay, business analysis purpose. So that is what called as data warehouse. So moving to next one, then what is defect? So the variation between actual result and expected result is called as defect. If developer finds an issue and corrects it by himself in the development phase, then it's called as defect. Next, what is bug? If testers find any mismatch in the applications or soft system in testing phase, then it's called as bug. What is an error? We can't compile or run a program due to coding mistake in a program. That is called as error. Then what is failure? Once product is deployed and customers find any issue with the application or software, it is called as failure. This happens usually after release. Okay, after we hand over to the client or customer or stakeholder. So that is what the end users, okay, so find any issues with the application or software, that is called as failure. So next one is, what is bug life cycle? So this is very important. Whenever tester got deviation between actual result and expected result, then he raised defect report to the developer in call discussion with on-site coordinator, client, developer, and team lead. Based on that call discussion, tester raised the defect report to the particular developer. So next what happened? The developer may undergo 4 scenarios. Open, first scenario, open. Whatever the tester raised the defect report is valid and he may resolve the issue. The second scenario is reject. Whatever the tester raised the defect is invalid. And then defer. Whatever the tester raised the defect is not considered for the current release. Okay, if you are releasing some software, working on project which containing developing the software. So this defect is not considering in this release. Okay, might be in future they may consider. So that is what called as defer. And duplicate, the fourth scenario. Whatever tester raised the defect is already raised by the other tester. So that is considered as duplicate. Then if it's valid, then developer may fix that issue. After fixing, tester retest the fixed issue until this cycle continues till defect get resolved. So this is what called as bug life cycle. So if you not understand the concept for once time, you can rewatch the video and you will get concept clarity. So for example, next, the data warehouse. Already I told this, but once again we revise that. It's a place or repository where we can store historical data for analysis purpose. Data warehouse characteristics. It is subject oriented. So in which we can focus a particular area for analysis. So integrity, by which we can combine multiple data from multiple sources. So the third character is time variant, means we can store historical data, non-volatile. We cannot modify any data within it. Suppose to be if we want to change, we can add as a new record. So these are the characteristics of data warehouse. So moving to next one, what is the order of SQL? So this is very important question for the interview. So first is select, distinct from, where, group by, having, order by. For any query, if you want to write in SQL, in Oracle, for any query, that must follow this order. Okay, so this is what the order. So select, distinct from, where, group by, having, order by. So moving to next one, what is the execution order of SQL? So while query executing, from which point that execution begins? Okay, so for that it begins with from, then moves to table. Okay, it retrieves data from table, then it checks whether where condition, any conditions are present there, where, and group by, and then having, order by, distinct, and select and display the result. So this is what the execution order of SQL. You must have to remember these two. So moving to next one, where clause. We can see here where clause. Where clause is a filter which limits the number of rows works with, and it works with relational operators like smaller than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, and also works with logical operators like and, or, in. Okay, so this is what the where clause. It basically it limits the rows. Okay, we want particular range of rows to retrieve those records. We can use where condition. Okay, we can put where condition. So basically it works with relational operators and logical operators. So what you call by group by? It clubs the similar kind of data. So whatever the similar kind of data, it clubs together. Moving to next one, having clause. The having clause is also a filter which limits the rows but works with aggregate functions like minimum, maximum, count, average. Okay, this is what the difference between having and where clause. So it is also a filter but works with aggregate functions. So order by clause, it orders the result set in ascending or descending pattern. So moving to next one, select. It is used to extract the data from table or database. Distinct, it displays the results which are unique. Then, so these are the character functions. Character functions are functions which is used to work with characters. Case sensitive functions, character manipulative functions. So what are the case sensitive functions then? Upper, lower, and init cap. So here upper, it converts all the characters to uppercase. So examples here, select upper, the first name from table name. So that is what select upper. For example, this one from employees table, output you will get this capital letter Manju. So this is what the thing here. And lower, so it converts the characters into lowercase. So this is what the syntax here. And select lower of capital letter string Manju from employees, output you will get the small letters Manju. So moving to init cap, it converts the first letter of each word into capital and remaining in small letters. So select, this is what the syntax here, and this is below it is example. So select init cap of small letters string, that is Manju from employees table. So that is what displaying first letter capital M and remaining are small. Okay, then moving to substring function. So it's a function which extracts the characters from a given string. Okay, this is what the syntax here. Select substring of string, start position and end position from table name. So example here, select substring of this one string Manju, comma 1 comma 3. So this is 1 is starting point. So this is what the starting point, and up to 3 characters it extracts, means MAN from employees. So output you will get MAN. So select substring of MANJU string, so comma -1 comma 3. So from this side it will start and it extracts 3 characters, that is NJU. So you are getting output NJU. So this is what the difference. Next, in string functions. So it's a function which is used to get the position of the string. So syntax is here, select in string of string comma search value comma start index from table name. So example is here, select in string of the string Manju comma n comma 1 from employees. The output is 3 because nth position is 1 2 3, so it displays the output as 3. Then coming to constraints. So these are the conditions or rules, or you can say limits, which we can put on the data when data flowing into the table. So not null, unique, primary key, foreign key and check. So these 5 are constraints. So let us see one by one. Not null, which accepts duplicate values but not accept null values. Okay. And unique, which not accept duplicate values and accept null values. So primary key, combination of both not null and unique, which not accept duplicate value also and not accept null values also. So then what is foreign key? Foreign key references to the primary key. So based on data type, by using PK and FK, we can combine the rows of the table. So last one is check. It is used to retrieve the range value records. So this is what the thing. And moving to next, Windows function or analytical functions. Rank, dense rank, row number, lead and lag. So next, first one is rank. So what is rank exactly? It assigns rank to the rows of the table and it skips the next rank whenever duplicate occurs and arrange the result in ascending order. So this is what rank does. So for example, in the sense, these are the number columns 100, 101, 101. It is repeated here twice, 102, 103. So what the rank does? It assigns rank 1, 2, again it is 101, so it assigns 2, and then here it skips the next rank, and for 102 record it assigns the rank 4 because 3 is skipped here. Okay, so then for 103 it assigns rank 5. So this is what rank does. So moving to next, dense rank. It assigns rank to the rows of the table but does not eliminate duplicates and does not arrange the result set in ascending pattern. So for example, same numbers here, and 1, 2, and again for the 101 it is 2, and for 102 it is 3 assigned here. It doesn't skip the next rank, and for 103 it assigns the next rank, that is 4. So row number, it assigns the rank to the rows of the table in sequential manner. So these are the numbers and these are the ranks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In sequential manner, the row number assigns the ranks. So next, coming to set operators. So what are the set operators here? Union, union all, intersect, minus. So what is union then? It combines 2 or more than 2 select query result set and displays the ascending order, and it removes the duplicate records. This is what union set operator can do. So what is union all? It combines 2 or more select queries results and display the result set, first result set below other result set. So intersect, it is used to get common records between 2 or more tables. Okay, if the 2 or more tables containing common data, we can use intersect to retrieve those common data. So minus query, so it is used to display the first select query result which does not present in the second select query result. So here the minus query is also used in high level validations, like from source to target the data is perfectly loaded or not. To check that, we use the minus operator. You can go through my previous videos. I already made on the set operators video on set operators, So there you can get the complete idea. So this is what the thing here, friends. So if you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, SQL Master YouTube channel, so that it's really great motivational for me to make more and more videos. And this is only the first part, okay, theoretical first part, questions and answers, and next second part I am uploading tomorrow. Okay, so this is very enthusiastic to make these type of videos for me. So I hope you understood the concepts clearly. So I will be with you with some more queries or concepts in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.